Hey everybody, if you're watching this, then we are going to talk a little bit about B2B growth today and what we can do for your business or agency. So how can we help grow your business or agency? So at the end of the day, I know what it's like to be an entrepreneur, and I know it's tough. I know that sales don't just come overnight. I know that 20 booked appointments per month might seem like a lot to you. I understand that quality paid ads, it's not easy to come by. Social media management, not easy to come by, especially for a cheap price. See, at the end of the day, everything costs money, right? Lead generation, it costs money. Maximizing your AI platforms costs money. It just does, right? Customer support costs money. Everything you want in order to make your business more streamlined, you got to hire different people for it. What if you had one agency where we just took care of all of it in one? A turnkey marketing agency where we can get you more views on social media. We'll optimize your Google accounts, your Workspace accounts, whatever you need. Help you get your business verified on Google. We'll help take care of your email marketing, your SMS bump. We'll build a Shopify store for you. At the end of the day, it's worth that, isn't it? It's worth it to have an edge in business. It's worth it to have a business that can make you 10K, 20K, 50K, 100K, 200K per month. It's worth it to have a business that can make you real profits, tangible results. That's what we do. We bring you the results. Okay, so we have a lot that we can do for your company, one, but in order for us to do it, you got to believe in us, two, and you got to believe in what we can do for your agencies, what we can do for your brand, your business. If you're an e-commerce company, if you're a startup, selling solar panels, whatever it might be. Okay, our clients, we're a B2B company, so we work with everybody. But one thing I understand, again, as an entrepreneur, is spending money and how expensive it is just to hire out a client acquisition team to handle the marketing and advertising, to build a personal brand, to build something that actually lasts a decade, right? And so at the end of the day, it's so important to own your own kind of business and to have a business that's making real money for you. So now that we've kind of talked a little bit about what we can do for your companies, how we can do social media marketing, we'll build a website for you with SEO, winning paid ads, all of that. Let's look at a little bit more of what we do. So yeah, of course, we do lead generation. We hit the top of Google search, YouTube channel managed for your business, but we also do PR. We do event planning. Right? If you're looking to have a wedding or something in the future, guess what? We can plan that for you. We can get it all arranged. We'll work with the best of the best in your local areas to make sure that it gets done correctly and to make sure that it's getting done under budget. Okay, whatever it might be. If you need recruiting services done for your business, we can do that too. You want to automate your business, you want 2,500 cold emails sent every single day, then we can do that, right? We can do that with DMark. We can do that with our Syntax team. We can do that with our cold email campaigns. Anything you need, we can send thousands and thousands and thousands and thousands of emails every single day to your clients, right? Not just to your clients, well, not to your clients, but to potential clients, right? So who do we work with? Well, we work with a little bit of everybody because we're a B2B company, but in particular, we like to work with e-commerce businesses and brands, which is more drop shipping, affiliate marketing, personal brands, things like that. But we also work with e-service based agencies, which is high-level marketing, sales, SMMA, lead generation, basically like our agency, B2B Growth. We're SMMA. Essentially, we're a growth equity agency. We're growth partnership agency. And then we also work with high-growth startups. So this would be like solar, if you own a solar business, if you own, a tech startup, if you own some kind of SaaS, AI startup, whatever it might be, that's where we work with you. Okay, and we can help your business accelerate so that way you're making money right away. So if you got a new business, contact us, please. We'll help you get to that place where you need to be. Okay, because at the end of the day, we do have happy clients who work for us. We do have some good testimonials. Actually, while we're doing this, I wonder if I could actually share this screen too. Hold on. His name is Reese, and he is an independent contractor for Apricot Solar. So let's check it out.
My name is Reese Dorner, and I work with Apricot Solar, and I've been working with B2B Growth today and Brendan Eckert for about the last month, and I've been really impressed with everything that they have been able to do for me to help me grow my business by giving me advice on how advertising and how I should be posting each day, and then them helping me.
We do all of that for you.
And they've been very consistent on everything.
It's what we're known for.
All the promises that they've made. I get daily updates on the project.
Damn right.
It's very thorough and professional. And it's really nice to be working with somebody that is doing good work and doing it as they say they're going to do it. And I've just been very impressed overall. And I would recommend anybody I know to work with B2B Growth today and Brennan Eckert. They have really helped me grow my business, and I'm excited for what we're going to do in the future.
Yeah, so that's only the beginning, So he actually ordered a free trial from us, Reese, our independent contractor for Apricot Solar. He ordered a free trial, but, right now he actually ended up just ordering the startup bundle, what is the startup bundle? Sorry, got a stupid fly in the room, so annoying. I hate flies. I don't know about you guys. I hate flies. Sorry about that. Oh my God, so annoying. It's always in a video, right? It's always when you're trying to make your stuff to promote your brand. You got to be a fly in the video. But no biggie. So yeah, guys, I'm really excited for the work we're doing here at B2B Growth today. I'm excited for what we're building for dedicated entrepreneurs, clients, and people who really just want to get to the next level. Business owners like yourself who actually want tangible results, who actually want to get to a completely different lifestyle. Okay, I'm talking businesses and brands who really want to make 10K per month. If you really want to make 100K per month, if you're so sick of going on YouTube and watching people like me who are able to just so easily do this, then maybe you should book a call with me or my team. Because my team is pretty tier, we're pretty premium. We do premium marketing services and advertising services. So hopefully you got a budget. We do typically work with more 1% earning companies. So we do like to work with bigger businesses typically. That's just because, usually they're going to be more qualified. However, we're looking to work with anybody who really wants to grow their business and is serious about success. That's what we do. There's a reason we work with startups as well. Okay. So we're a B2B company and we want to help you guys reach untapped potentials, untapped heights. So SMMA and paid ads, right? Everything we already discussed. Branding, AI integration, some event planning, recruiting, appointment setting, coaching and consulting, graphic design, YouTube automation. We can do it all for you. So that way you can enjoy the rest of your life and not have to work as hard. On our website, if you check it out, we have our frequently asked questions, and then we have our For the Dreamer advertisement that we just released, which is where we essentially talk about, the visions and what you could do as a business owner, what you could do as a company who really wants to reach those new heights. All right. So this is why this stuff's important. And at the end of the day, if you're serious about success, this is where you want to be. This is where you want to go. We have our plans and pricing. We don't hide anything here. At the end of the day, we just want you to get to that next level. We just want you to be a business who is really succeeding. You're really hitting all of those marks that you want to hit, right? So this is kind of what you're dealing with. If you go to our website, you can see all of our different plans, our pricing here. We have our 500 qualified leads that will scrape and vet for you. That's only $300. For our $500 plan, we can book 10 appointments for you guaranteed, and you get your money back in 30 days if you don't have 10 appointments booked for you, at least booked on your calendars. And of course, that starts after the day you send us the correct calendar link, because typically I've noticed with my clients, it takes about a week to get started. So, I'm just saying, it'll take a week, it'll take 30 days and probably 37 days in total. Okay. And, we also offer website design, website builds, like I said, right? These are just all of our basic turnkey packages, but we do offer custom pricing, custom plans, things like that. Okay. And so, yeah, our Reese ended up ordering this plan, the startup bundle. So, because Apricot Solar is more of a startup business and they're doing pretty well, big things with solar, but they've been really just trying to scale and grow their companies, and that's what we've been helping them do, right? So if you sign up for the same plan that Reese did, you'll get 10 appointments set for you. You'll get 30,000 views on a YouTube VSL that we'll create for you. So that's a video service letter, if you didn't know what that is. And we'll just essentially make sure that we're promoting your product. We'll create you a great advertisement video with some advertising content. And then essentially you can put that on your Facebook, and either we can run those ads for you or you can run them yourself, whatever you'd like. But we will provide you a video that can generate 30,000 views in total on YouTube as well. And then 500 leads, fully scraped and vetted. You already get those with this plan. And you'll get paid ads via Facebook and YouTube done for you. And then 2 to 5 posts per day across Facebook, Instagram, X, LinkedIn, TikTok, all of it. And then at the end of everything, we'll give you a tier analytics and progress tracking report. Okay, so, and that's only the very beginning of what we can offer. Again, our prices go a little bit higher for more premium plans. This is if you really want to do more, if you want to really invest in advertising. This is mostly ad spend right here, and then a lot of this is, you know, spending money to integrate with artificial intelligence, you know, customer support chatbots. We do a lot of high quality video productions and things like that. We'll take it to the next level. And actually, we're going to be offering higher prices here soon, because we do offer on Gold Shark Media, for example, we offer higher pricing, and that's where we, you know, will build more high quality media production, whether it's music videos, commercials for television, things like that. You know, so anyways, yeah. So if you want to contact us, you can. Our hours are 24 hours typically. Sometimes it's 9 to 5, depends on my kind of schedule and then my team's schedule. But it'll be 9 to 5, 9 to 6 p.m. We have our mission statement here, and then yeah, guys, at the end of the day, if you're already working for us, then we also have a reference link here if you haven't checked out our website already, where you can get a 10% discount for each friend or business owner that you refer and they buy a marketing plan, right? So again, if you're already working with us, get another business owner to sign up for a plan, and we'll knock down 10% off, or we'll credit your account 10%, so that way get 10% back off of what you might have already spent with us. So ladies and gentlemen, that's B2B growth today, essentially, in a nutshell. That's what we can do for your business. That's what we can do for your brand. And, you know, I'm really excited to take things to new levels here. And before I leave, I guess I just want to cover one more little thing that I think is important. And this is just essentially kind of what we've been doing with our clients. So if you just give me a few seconds here, Google Docs, and then let me find the docs. Sorry, this is a process. There's just one more thing I'd like to show you. So essentially, what you'll get from our services is, hold on, let me log out from here, switch to my business Google Docs account. So essentially, right now, this is our startup bundle project management portal for our client. So you'll get this when you work with us, and this will just be an organized little system here. You'll get a document containing all of your daily project updates. You'll have all of the links that you need, any kind of reviews that we'll send you, anything we send you, you can find it all in one place. The link to your project communication channel, so you can talk to your project manager at all times, right? So you know what's happening in the process. We have that. ClickUp project management checklist here, so to make sure that tasks are getting complete within a timely manner. And then we also have the plan all the plans that we offer for our agency, and essentially what the client ended up paying for, which was the startup bundle for a plan of 3 installment payments. And we offer that for all of our clients again. So if you just need an agency that's going to help you get to that next level, and, you know, if you want an organized system, if you've worked with agencies that might not have been as organized, then we can definitely do that for you. Okay. And then as far as daily project updates go, we also provide these for you. So again, this provides just some necessary links that you'll need, but also for our free trial plan, for example, this is for Reese and his free trial. We're just using his as an example. We also worked for an AI company as well. We worked for an IT company, an engineering company, but this is kind of what we've been doing recently. So we give you snapshots of all of the social media content that's been being posted on your page, and we just keep you updated on lead generation, the social media marketing, the YouTube promos. We give you all the information you're going to need to know, and we make sure that you approve everything. So you're in complete and total control of what's going on the internet, what's going to be posted, what's going to be promoted for your brand. You know, we do a really good job making sure that you're getting just the best possible services. So guys, if you're interested in going to the next level, if you really want to reach the next level, then be sure to work with our team, right? So again, this is just a little example of, you know, how organized my team is. It's like a little snapshot of my Slack channel here, and our whole team that's already been just crushing it for all of our clients and whatnot. So yeah, guys, if you're looking for some marketing, then we are the solution for you. And we really hope that you'll work with us, because we can help you get to that next level. We'll optimize and we'll make sure that you are absolutely reaching the levels that you always thought you could. We'll always make sure that you're getting success. We'll make sure that you're getting real clients that are willing to pay for your services, that are willing to work with you and hopefully boost your income, right? The whole goal of working with an agency is so we can accelerate your business, so you can make more money in your business, and so that way, you know, we can help you get to that next level that you deserve to be at. So Without further ado, thank you, ladies and gentlemen. I got nothing else for you. Stay prudent, stay powerful, and stay wealthy.